Fun and rewarding. Are you looking to buy an aquarium for your family? If you are going to want to look at this fish tank. Owning an aquarium can be a really fun and rewarding experience and an ideal way to teach your child the responsibility of pet ownership. Dazzling colors. Energy-efficient LED lighting with 7 dazzling color selections to brightly illuminate your fish. Choose daylight white, blue, green, amber, aqua, purple, or red. Complete filtration. Powerful internal power filter cleans and purifies aquarium water at a flow rate of 25 gallons per hour, effectively removing organic pollutants including discoloration, odors, heavy metals, and toxic gases. Uses Koller Products XS replacement filter cartridges, AquaView 3.5-Gallon. Optimum viewing. Crystal clear clarity so good that most think it's glass, made of impact-resistant plastic providing leak-proof assurance. Unlike glass tanks glued together with silicone, this one-piece tank puts to rest any worries or concerns about possible leaks. Trendy design. Unique shape allows viewing from multiple angles anywhere in the room. Energy-efficient LED light. Uses 3 AAA batteries, sold separately. Optional Koller Products 5 volts power adapter, AQ51000, sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Great. Got a beta and like many we at first didn't realize he would be more high maintenance than we assumed. Thanks goodness for Google research. So the fish only lived in the jar a couple days until this arrived. We've had it almost 2 months now and still running strong. It is very quiet and Ember seems to enjoy his domain. His Majesty has stacking rocks, floating log, a hammock leaf, small live plant and decorative rock flooring, all of which he approves of and enjoys. Pros. Still works like new, quiet, nice shape I guess. Changing color for lights, but we keep it light blue. Hole in the top for dropping pellets. Lightweight and still crystal clear. Easy to assemble. Cons. Light timer is 4 hours, wish it were longer, we don't use auto because of this. The light isn't super bright. I wonder if it were brighter would it show off his beautiful colors better. IDK. But not a deal breaker. Overall I would recommend.